Hello everyone. So there is a new tool came in market, that is Google Antigravity. It is same like your Cursor, VS Code and other IDEs also, but there's something launched by the Google which is having high capabilities multi-agent. For now it is free, but in coming soon it is going to have a plans. If I compare between Cursor and Copilot and this one, so this is quite intelligent IDE which were it is also using the LLM agents and make your code. And it's not that much good like the cursor, but let's see the capabilities, how it look like. If you go to this one, you can see here the pricings. Right now it is free as a public review. And if you go here, and you can also download from here. So once you download it according to your system, Windows, Mac or Linux, and open that, it look like this. Then first it will be going to ask you, do you want to copy the same extensions and same kind of things from your VS Code or cursor if you're already a user of VS Code or a cursor. You can also check them. It is the same view or the same interface of like VS Code and cursor. All the options are same if you are Windows lover. You can go to the file and select open folder and open a folder. Right now I have the test file. I don't have anything here in the left side you can see. But in the right side if you see, as like the window you're able to find in the VS Code and cursor, here is the window chat window and here is the modes, planning and fast. So planning is something before it is going to execute anything, it will create a map, a task list of tasks, and then it will do a research and it will tell you that whether we should proceed or not. If you give a proceed approval, then it will go with it. So fast is nothing but the agent will directly going to execute. So without your permission, so it is simplify the task and complete as soon as possible. So that is the difference between these two modes. And if you see here, the agents, so these are all right now free, which is Gemini 3 Pro High, Low 4.5 and your Sonnet 4.5 Thinking and GPT OSS model, which is free one, the medium. So according to your coding, according to your requirement, then you can select these models to do code. Basically, these are not highly intelligent. LLMs are, but when they're going to do the creative power or the coding power was comparatively very less if you compare with the Copilot and the Cursor. So that is a disadvantage, I would say. So this idea is in the starting phase only right now. Might be in the future they're gonna add more features to it. But the problem here with the Cursor, that is a paid and Copilot is also paid, and this one is free right now. Let's do some test of asking some questions. Right now I wanted to keep it in the planning and I wanted to give any prompt, like a prompt, three different things. Let's see how fast it is going to execute. Right now, I don't want to go with any medium thinking because I just wanted to give you a short demo of it. So whenever you have also time, just download and do it. Gemini 3 Pro High, which is a model I'm going to select right now, with a planning stage only, means planning conversation. So I wanted to take one prompt. Let me take. So it is something like this. So I would say we're a full stack web architect and build a complete modern project using Next.js frontend, Fast API backend, Postgres database, and Tailwind UI and Auth JWT, Docker Compose. So this is something you're making it more complex, right? It is going to take a lot of time. So people are giving this kind of heavy task to it and bunching everything on the one prompt and telling to it. So it will create the plan, okay, but it will do, even though it is cursor, even though it is VS Code, your Copilot, it will do. So, but my recommendation is every time, whenever you do any development, you should do uh, in a stages wise, phase one, phase two, phase three, so that the model which is working for you is not with the bombarding of the task. So it will understand very clearly and the need. the neat communication and the neat work will give you one after other task in a very good manner. So instead of this, I just wanted to, if I give this also, it is going to execute just a sample. But instead of this, let me ask something different because I don't want to make this highly complex. Build a project uh, for my one-on-one website in high attractive, use animations and colorful. So please avoid the AA color that was purple. So whenever you see the purple things that is getting generated, it should look like the human code with human creativity. So and add a smart cards and buttons, make it professional. Uh, it's your wish. Oh, sorry. Add images to it to make more professional, like this. Let's see. It's running. Here you can see. It's taking more time. See, I did a lot of spelling mistakes. Fine. It is given a plan now. Here you can see. Now I'm able to review this now. See project installation, explore current workspace, create implementation plan, set up a project structure. Okay. And now you can see these vibrant human non-purple and generating placeholders images. And these are all the things right now. After this, now it is loading for the second task. Now it is on the implementation plan. Here you can see the implementation plan of one-on-one professional website, coaching, consulting. Okay, fine. Good, good. Index.html, style.css. Okay. Auto proceed by agent under review policy. So here you can change this one. Here you can say agent decide and request for review. If you click on the request for review, you should approve, then only it will proceed with that, and agent decides, it will decide. So now it will never ask. See, here also agent will decide when to ask and when to review, and then automatically decide. So based on this mode you can enable. So right now it is uh, asking me something like okay, it want to we run something. Okay, accept. It is running a command npm create white. Okay, but left side I don't see any files. Run command accept. This is a problem now. You can see it's getting an errors. Encountered retrievable error from the model provider. Hmm, Analyzing, but not one file. The index.html is created. Too slow. Artifacts, OI files, and terminal. Style CSS. Okay. Asset generation. I have completed generating image. Wow. Okay. Generating an image. Cool. Phone 91 tokens being used. Mm, Nah, let it be. Cool. So let's see. Not run, but wow. Cool. Wherever I move cursor, see, this is moving. Explore services is here. Nice, nice. Highly professional actually. Okay, let is complete or not. Still loading. But if you see services, when you click on services, coming here. Okay, media coach, fine, name, schedule a call, book now. Okay, fine, but this interface is so nice. Asking, run, run. Okay. No, it is already playing. Fine. However, like if you see this one, it's still running. So this is about it, and it is same like your VS Code. Nothing much new on it. The only thing, if you switch to the fast, and it will directly go and execute these things. Okay, and here it is running. Let me stop. Let me close it, and let me rerun it one more time. So let me see this. This thing, anything is getting changed? No. Here, I think it is doing some changes over here. But so cool, right? So cool. At the free, um, you're using these models with an IDE. Something cool. In future, maybe it is going to do good job. But now, okay, normal. My review is normal. So if it is informative, just please like and share, and also find some other videos in my channel. Thank you, everyone.